Rocker Pat here. Hi, God, it is still a beautiful, hot, rocking day in the jungle. And man, I have been working it down all day today, working on the, well, probably about 3 or 4 hours I've been working. Finishing up, touching up all the panels that I need to make for this corner over here on this 1965 Ford Falcon. So I got all my heavy duty panels made. This one goes up in there. If you see this little slot in my frame deal, it's because I have to get the emergency brake cable to come up through that hole. That's pretty much the whole reason why there's this step right here, so that that cable can go up in there. But by me adding the bracing right there, it kind of made it a little bit more difficult. So I've cut some holes in the panels that I needed to get. This panel right here is a wall. It goes, let's see, yeah, like that down there. Basically, it sits right there on top of that one once that one's in there, and then the floor pan sits on top of that, which is, yeah, right there. So the next thing here is I don't have any weld through primer. I only have some black flat paint, and I painted the back side of this panel. Not that it'll ever rust out in my lifetime, but I went ahead and threw something on there and painted up there in the hole. And so then the next thing we gotta do is stop rattling the paint. You know, watch your ears on this one, kind of being a little loud here. And I'll get that in there, and the next I'll come in there and I'll start spot welding that all in there, and I'll keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. This is going to be a little bit quick. I don't have a whole lot ready, but I wanted to show you what I did there to get that that emergency brake cable to go through there, because now this will sit down in there something like so. You know, it goes in easier from the bottom side. Goes in there like, Yep, falls right on through to the floor. All right, guys, well, I'm going to start welding. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, and starting to get a little warm down here in Texas. It's got, we're probably close to 80 degrees today. So, yeah. All right, guys, well, y'all keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. I'll come back tomorrow when I got a lot more work done. I just get all the preliminaries done today. All right, talk to y'all next time.